Hey you guys, I wanted to make a video to show you how to upload a video from that you've created using your computer's camera into Schoology if you needed help doing that. So here's my completed video. So I've recorded it using my camera. I hit stop and it popped up a little thumbnail down here in the bottom right hand corner that I clicked on to get this screen right here. You'll notice that there is a share spot up here. I tried walking through the process of just directly uploading it to YouTube from here, and I could not get mine to work. So if yours works that way, that's awesome. You can go ahead and do that, and I'm sure that's probably the easiest way to do it. However, if yours is not working like mine, you hit these little three dots over here to go ahead and save it to your computer, okay? So once you do that, it's going to pop up this. It's going to save it directly to your pictures, and you can just I'm going to call mine discussion number 6, and I'm going to save it to my computer. So now I need to go to YouTube, and I need to open up YouTube, and I'm going to click this little, so once you're logged into your account, if you're not logged into your Park Hill YouTube account, you're going to need to do that. And you'll notice that because your little icon's over here on the side that shows your picture. You're going to click this little video recording, and you're going to upload a video, okay? And so then you select your file to upload. I'm going to go find my discussion number 6. Oops, there it was. Okay, so I'm going to click that. I'm going to open it, and it's going to publish the video for me. Okay, so once it's all published, or once it's done processing, you can hit publish here. That's going to publish it to YouTube, which you're going to need to do. And then here is your shareable link that you can click there. And mine's already been published. I've already done it. So make sure you click that little link, or it'll pop up in your YouTube, and you can get the link to share with people. And then you're going to go into Schoology, and here where it says discussion number 6, group recording, you are going to click that, hit submit, create, and paste your link in there, and I should be able to view it just fine. So if for some reason you're still having trouble and that doesn't work, just make sure your video is saved to your computer, and I will help you do it on Monday. Okay, hope you had a good day. Bye-bye.